Hi, I'm Donnie Lowy. I'm here at Closeoutexplosion.com. Hope you're having an amazing day today. I'm packing an order of brand name children's clothing. It is overstock from a very well-known American department store. I want to show you some of the items that are here. For instance, there's a nice selection of Carters for baby, this 24 months dress. Then you have here a few onesies together. And I'd like to point out that when you buy from me an order, and let's say the order is for 100 pieces, although this is technically more than one piece, it counts as one piece for you. So you're actually receiving here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 onesies, and it only counts as one piece. Okay, we have a Carter's here, 6 months. Carter's 9-month outfit. Here's a dress, which is by Carter's, also size 24 months. We have some beautiful outfits in here from boys' outfits. Two-piece outfits, as you can see. T-shirt with a pair of pants. Here's some Adidas sports shirt. We have dresses in here. There's Polo Ralph Lauren clothing. We have shorts, polo shirts, dresses. Many, many beautiful high-end items. There's Tommy Hilfiger in here. There's Adidas, there's Nike. Beautiful items here. Okay, if you have any questions or comments, please let me know. My number is 917-913-6093. Thank you for watching. Have an amazing day.